Hello everyone and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Luget and today is February 28, 2019. We are on the Gant Phase 1 renovation project. This will be our 6th video of the series and we'll be taking you through progress since our last update. Let's begin with our exterior updates and pause on our west elevation between Gant and the parking garage. I'll let you know, March 9th, there'll be a 275-ton, 185-foot boom and jib setting our first mechanical units. We're going to show you up close to the plaza and the light court. As we continue moving to the east, we're also planning a 600-ton crane in the near future on Jorgensen Road to set what you see in the blue tarps for our SR1 and our SR2, our air handling units. But let's take a minute and explain what's going on today. So we have a yellow crane that you're looking down at right in front of the screen, setting our electrical gear, critical to the progress of the project. Behind the crane in white, orange, and black, those are our winter protection tarps. We're going to take you down and show you our first floor storefront glazing has begun. The framing of the soffit, the metal panel that's going to completely change the look of the building on the first floor. And finally, as we continue to the east, the two round cylinders you see down there are for the masons, where staging is going down. Now we cannot run a pass by without showing you our light court. We're going to talk about the blue tarp, getting ready to pour the slab down below. And finally, we're going to finish over our physics simulation lab. That's the light court, and then the light gray is the roof line, and then in front of that is the roof, and the blue tarp will be for our mechanical units coming this weekend. Let's start with the fourth floor. Here we are, top of the building. All about the finishes in through here. We come in this section here, a little VET. We're working out some gluing issues. As we go all the way to the east here, we'll get a chance to see some of the finishes that are happening in through here. So this is all our faculty area in through here. There's more demountable glass partitions that are coming in here, I understand, tomorrow or so. That's what closes these off. We have the intermediate partitions that hold all the mechanicals, and then the glass partitions to close it off in through here. The storefront's been installed. Fantastic. This was closed for the longest time. We're really getting a sense on the finishes through here. We have a protective flooring mat all through here, this blue plastic rhino type guard to protect the carpet through this area. But it's coming together. Ceiling grids are in. As we work our way down the corridor, remember 2, 3, and 4, very similar. Faculty over through here, our labs and teaching labs in through here. We come towards the intersection here with the west area. This will be the last to finish. You know, it'll also be the demarc location because we're moving down to do the west renovation next. As soon as we move everyone out of the west renovation, we're going to start with that. We'll do a quick pass. Stair B, third floor. It'll give you a little bit of a change between the floors. They're about a week, 2 weeks behind on each floor. Again, the center location in through here, we just walked by the bathrooms. The drywall's done, the painting's done. The flooring contractor is on his way down in through here, right? Quick peek into the labs. Actually, there is still some painting to be on. We've got some primer in here, right? All the drywall is completed. Stair A, second floor. Okay, we can see a little less taping here. The drywall is installed. Right, same system back over here to the east. The glazing is in. All the partitions are in. They're demising the glass walls to finish it off. You know, they'll be coming after they do the fourth floor. That's how they're going to finish fourth, 3 right down on in. Second floor. Stair B. First floor now. All right, pretty neat to be able to see the differences on each floor. But basically the bathrooms, the plumbing is complete. It didn't take them too long to come down through there. The framing is complete. Ready for drywall. This area here goes out to the plaza. We'll take that shortly But in the meantime, we'll take a quick look back in through here, and you really see the differences in the construction. So we've got still some rough framing. There's areas here that are not drywalled yet at this particular point. You can see the corridor still missing some drywall. And again, we're finishing 4, 3, 2, and then 1 ground floor. Quick peek, just as I mentioned on the first floor, way back when we talked about building these curb details in here, right? How we were picking up that much more space back in through here. The old on the flooring right in through here. The roofing system was back in through here. Fantastic. This is going to be great. Can't wait to see it. Pretty neat enclosure. It's our winter protection enclosure, right? This is where the brick meets the concrete. All right, we have our finish coat on here, and then the soffit gets built off of that. But pretty neat way to make a winter protection to make this happen. We're going to spin around really quickly, and this is the exterior metal framing for our metal panels, which is going to tie into our glazing around the whole first floor. So awesome construction in through here. Dense glass, waterproofing. Eventually we'll tie a lot of details in through here. Eventually we'll tie into the flashing on the storefront on the second floor, and the storefront's going to come down and it'll eventually tie into the shoe that you're seeing down in through there. So a feature detail on the building, this metal paneled soffit through here, and the glazing that's going to encapsulate all of this concrete from the first floor, the corner column in through here. This is going to be all glazing. We just looked at the soffit up above. This will be a corner detail right in through here, and the glazing ties up into here, into the framing, into the metal panel in there. What a great look this first floor is going to have to the exterior. So we can't talk enough about this change, the design in here. So this is a break. This was an interior space beforehand, and this is open. So now the students, to be able to reach the plaza area, can walk right up the stairs. They don't have to go interior of the building, over in this corner over in here. So we mentioned plaza, we show you from the overhead. This is the plaza area right in through here. This is where all of our simulation labs are going to be, in our 5 simulation labs in through here. Let's show you our progress. Before we go into our physics scale-up labs, let's take a stop and let me take you through our mock-ups. So before this work was done, we did a mock-up in this area for all the scientists, students to be able to work out all the bugs before we went into construction. So each one of the teaching labs has 6 of these workstations through there, and these are collaborative areas where the physics experiments will be able to go on. This amount of 3, 6, 9 students will be able to collaborate together. Houses all the modern day electronics, computers on through here. There'll be 6 of these in each one of the teaching labs in through here. This is what we can plan on seeing in the future in our scale-up labs. There'll be whiteboards, marker boards in these labs. There'll be projectors. All right, we move from mock-up. Let's check the construction progress now. Now we have a sense for what we're going to see in our scale-up lab section in through here. All right. So framing, much more on framing since the last time we were here. We got door frames installed. All right, our ductwork, big strides in our ductwork and our mechanicals. The next time we come out here, our mechanical units, our air handling is going to be installed in through here. We have holes in the roof. The roof steel has been completed down in this section here. Awesome. So this room right in here, very similar to what we just came out of. You know, this will be a whole lab, a whole scale-up lab in this section right in through here. Nice glazing, glass out to our light court. Let's head that way. Big thing with the light court, we've got the tarps in here, we've got the heater in here. We're going to show you, we're working our way down. The ground floor, we're getting ready to cast the slab down. Lastly, we're going to take you through the progress on our ground floor. Just as the students would come in through here, we still have our temporary partition up here, and that will be up here for quite some time. Okay, we can't walk through here, but we can surely take a peek in through here. All right. Okay, this will be our main corridor, same way it was before in here. Our classrooms down in through here. Look at the massive mechanical pipes. That's as far as they're going to go from now. We are almost done our coring. This is our last trench we need to make in through here for our mechanicals. Down through the corridor in this section, right in through here. All right, that'll be happening shortly. This will get backfilled. We're going to walk around the other way because we really can't even walk around. A little different pathway we taken today. We don't usually come in through this way to the light court. We're coming all the way back in through here. Breaking up the floor to bring these conduit runs in through here. This is the area. Hopefully it'll show up. Okay, we've got snow from the previous night melting. These are our heating tubes in through here. Make sure all the frost is out. The next time we come in through here, the slab will be placed. We go back, we drove piles, we had footings. Those are the new columns in through here. We're gonna pour the slab in here in the next few days. We're drilling holes for the reinforcing around the perimeter. The circular stair comes in through this area. Discharges right up here on the top. And this will be our light court. We'll come down the corridor here. All of our physics labs down in through here. The masons moving along. All right. These are good 2/3 of the way done down in through here. Okay. All of these labs have mezzanine areas in them in through here. All right. The mechanical's got a good jump down in this area. We got some abatement going on. That's our main mechanical room over in this area right in here. All right. Our existing high voltage room. This is the power that comes in. We have to keep that running because that's where the data center is on. So we have to get the new power going to be able to remove the old power, new power, tie in the data center, remove the old power. The old power comes over to the main distribution panels in this area right over in here so we can build the mechanical room. So renovation projects, not easy. That's the typical process that has to happen on some of these jobs. Lots of coordination. But this has been the big week right in here. Our new electrical gear has been delivered. It's up on our pads in here, our utility pads we call in here. The electricians are already beginning to put those together right in through here. So this was a big feat. Again, it's all about process here. So the gear is so big, it has to come in from the exterior wall. We bring all the gear in through here. It's been an awesome couple of days through here. All right. Then the mason has to build his wall over in here to be able to close this section off. And then finally our new high voltage switches come in this area right in here. Underneath this plywood right here. Lastly, on the ground floor, exactly where we started, we poked our head in down through there. And then this corridor and these trenches through here. Our 3 classrooms down in through here. Will be the last area to be finished down in through here. This is in research. These are teaching classrooms down in through here. All right. Big strides on the mechanical up and through that area right in through there. Masonry is complete down in this section right through here. All the piping is up in the air. Big progress since last month. Lots going on very quickly to be open this coming August. Again, today is February 28, 2019, and we thank you for your interest in our university project. Remember to subscribe to our UPDC YouTube channel. At the bottom in red here, a click on the subscribe, a second click on the bell right next to it. Now you'll receive an automatic email every time we add a video to this site. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.